Welcome back to the Philippines, one of the windiest campsites we've ever been at. Christina's there cooking dinner, rice and a few other ingredients in the other pot. So there's our makeshift wind brace that we've set up with a piece of tarp, a few bits of wood, just so the flame doesn't go out on the gas cooker as we cook our dinner. You can see how we've tied this on. There's a piece of wood through the middle there, plenty of rope holding it up, and here's this log on the ground which we've used to tie down the tarp. Other pieces of rock fed through the guy lines, a few socks with rocks inside them just to hold the tarp down, so the rocks are there so that the tarp doesn't get scratched, doesn't get cut by the sharp edges of the rocks. There's my Gore-Tex jacket. Inside the jacket, got a few rocks inside the sleeve, and the Velcro on the jacket just held tight to hold it up. There's me backpack hanging on the edge there, just to fill up this gap because some of the wind's trying to make its way in through that gap in the tarp there. So the whole purpose of the wind brace is just so the flame on the gas burner doesn't go out. So the camera might not be able to see it, but both burners are burning faultlessly there. And there's the tent that you've seen in dozens and dozens of our videos, same old tent, battling away. Probably been at more than 100 campsites, this tent. So the only thing that's changed in our cook set since last time you've seen it is we now have 2 burners. So this is something I'd recommend because each gas burner is only about 80 grams in weight. As you can see, there's 2 of them there. Let's go over this way and just have a look at the guide's makeshift tent. One of the most makeshift setups I've ever seen. Just a big piece of tarp, lots of rock and grass there, just to block the wind from coming in from this direction, because the wind is only travelling in one direction at this campsite. So just a big sheet of plastic there to block this entry. Plenty of pieces of wood from the nearby bush, and here's a pair of cargo shorts that I've loaned to the guides with a rock inside the pockets, another rock inside this pocket as well, just to give the cargo pants some weight. So the purpose of that is again just to block that entry. There's a shirt as well, so just bits and pieces of equipment that we had with us. And during last night the tarp experienced a slight tear, so there's just used some of our Gorilla Tape to tape up this tarp. Kuya Emilio Benito, head guide in this area. Hello sir. There's the mountain peak we climbed today, just up there, Mount Timurid. Here's Emilio's Kilji inside his tent. There's his son in there just cooking their dinner as well. So it looks pretty makeshift, but it does work and it does block the wind out. That's cow manure or carabao manure. Good game of golf up here on the ridge top.